This is my family car. It's a 2001 Honda CR-V. In about 1 second, something incredibly exciting is about to happen. Our 17-year-old car is about to hit 200,000 miles. But we'll come back to this in a minute. We bought the car in 2001 when my brother was only 4 years old. I mention this because my brother wanted this particular car for one reason only. It has a fold-out table in the trunk. He called it the table car. Ironically, we've never actually used that table. Ever since then, this car has been our main mode of transportation. We both learned how to drive in this car, and we've taken it on countless road trips. I've even been hit by a deer in this car. Yes, the deer hit me. We've driven to the middle of nowhere to celebrate our car's major milestone.
If I get drunk, well, I know I'm gonna be the man who gets drunk next to you. And if I heaver, yeah, I know I'm gonna be the man who's heavering to you. But